Chemical reactions and equations. Introduction. Look this reaction. Magnesium plus oxygen, after reaction magnesium oxide is formed. That means magnesium react with oxygen and after reaction magnesium oxide is formed. After chemical reaction, change in state, change in color, evolution of gas and change in temperature will happen. We study now chemical equation. Magnesium plus oxygen, after reaction magnesium oxide is formed. Magnesium and oxygen are the reactant and magnesium oxide as a product. The arrowhead points shows the direction of reaction. Next, writing a chemical equation. Magnesium plus oxygen, after reaction magnesium oxide is formed. We written as Mg plus O2, after reaction MgO is formed. Means in a chemical equation we use chemical formula instead of words. That means chemical equation में हम लोग words के स्थान पर chemical formula लिखते हैं. Balance chemical equation. In balance chemical equation, the number of atom of each element remains the same before and after a chemical reaction. That means बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन में रिएक्शन होने के पहले और बाद प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के नंबर ऑफ आइटम सेम होता है. लुक दिस रिएक्शन. Fe plus H2O, after reaction Fe3O4 plus H2 is formed. It is not balanced chemical equation. For balanced chemical equation, we start balancing with a compound that contains maximum number of atoms, and in that compound select element which has maximum number of atoms. That means सबसे पहले हम उस कंपाउंड को बैलेंस करेंगे जिसमें नंबर ऑफ आइटम सबसे अधिक होगा और उस कंपाउंड के उस एलिमेंट को बैलेंस करेंगे जिसमें नंबर ऑफ आइटम सबसे अधिक हो. So for balance oxygen elements we multiply 4 with H2O. Then Fe plus 4H2O, after reaction Fe3O4 plus H2 is formed. For balance hydrogen element we multiply 4 with H2. Then Fe plus 4H2O, after reaction Fe3O4 plus 4H2 is formed. For balance Fe element we multiply 3 with Fe. Then 3Fe plus 4H2O, after reaction Fe3O4 plus 4H2 is formed. This equation is now balanced. Type of chemical reaction. Combination reaction. Carbon plus O2, after reaction CO2 plus heat is formed. Such reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactant is known as combination reaction. Consider this reaction. Calcium oxide plus H2O, after reaction calcium hydroxide plus heat is formed. Reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of product are called exothermic chemical reaction. Respiration is also exothermic process because our body get energy through respiration process. Decomposition reaction. Look this reaction. 2FeSO4 plus heat, after reaction Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3 is formed, where FeSO4 is ferrous sulfate, Fe2O3 is ferric oxide, SO2 is sulfur dioxide and SO3 is sulfur trioxide. In this reaction, a single reactant breaks down to give simpler product. This is a decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction requires energy either in the form of heat, light or electricity for breaking down the reactants. So, the reaction in which energy is observed are known as endothermic reaction. That means decomposition reaction में reactant को break करने के लिए energy के रूप में heat, light या energy की ज़रूरत होता है. इसलिए जिस reaction में energy observe हो उसे endothermic reaction कहते हैं. Displacement reaction. Look this picture. When iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution, then after reaction nails become brownish in color and the blue color of copper sulfate solution is fades. Reaction will happen such as Fe plus CuSO4 after reaction FeSO4 plus copper is formed. In this reaction, iron has displaced or removed another element, copper, from copper sulfate. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. Another example, zinc plus copper sulfate after reaction, zinc sulfate plus copper is formed. Lead plus copper chloride after reaction, lead chloride plus copper is formed. Double displacement reaction. Look at given picture. Take sodium sulfate in first test tube and barium chloride in second test tube and mix both solution. Be observed that Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 after reaction BaSO4 plus 2NaCl is formed. Barium sulfate is formed by the reaction of SO4 2- and Ba2 plus, and sodium chloride is formed by the reaction of Na plus and Cl-. Barium sulfate is white precipitate which is insoluble in water. Any reaction that produces a precipitate can be called a precipitation reaction. Such reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reaction. That means डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन में रिएक्टेंट्स अपना आयंस का एक दूसरे के साथ एक्सचेंज करता है. ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन. लुक गिवन रिएक्शन. जिंक ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन आफ्टर रिएक्शन जिंक प्लस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज फॉर्म्ड. बी ऑब्जर्व दैट if a substance gain oxygen during reaction it is said to be oxidation, and if a substance lose oxygen during reaction it is said to be reduction. Again look other given reaction. Hydrogen sulfide plus chlorine after reaction sulfur plus hydrochloric acid is formed. We observe that if a substance gain hydrogen during reaction it is said to be reduction, and if a substance lose hydrogen during reaction it is said to be oxidation. The effect of oxidation and reduction corrosion. When a metal is attacked by substances around it such as moisture, acids, etc., it is said to be corrode, and this process is called corrosion. Rancidity. When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste will change.